Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. Today's recipe is everybody's favorite, and these days everybody and every place has it. We're making guacamole. I've got some avocados, some tomatoes which have been finely chopped, onion which has been finely chopped, lemon juice, garlic finely chopped, and some fresh coriander leaves, again finely chopped. And to this I'm just adding some salt. All we need to do is mix all our ingredients well. I like using a fork to do this so that the avocado gets mashed properly. Our guacamole is ready to be served. My favorite guacamole is ready. I eat this even on toast with my nacho chips, with everything I can think of. I hope you enjoy this recipe.